Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So friends, in my previous videos I already told you about my friend's channel, so please go visit our channels and subscribe to our channels. Now back to our channel. Today I'll show an invisible card trick with tutorial. And let me tell you one thing, I have uploaded a short video on the title Guess the Move, and I told you that tutorial in the next video, means the reveal. And then I was out of station, so I can't upload the video on that, so I'll tell you now that which was that move. The move is called the cull, and in my previous videos I already taught you the move cull. So now without any time waste, let's get started with today's card trick. Okay, so guys, here's the performance for this trick. So for this trick you need an impromptu deck of cards, and you can also see that all the cards are very well shuffled. Now once the cards are shuffled, I'll request the spectator to select any card, means tell me any random card. Okay, so for example they say 4 of clubs. Okay, so I'll take out the 4 of clubs now. Let me find that card, 4 of clubs. Okay, so yeah, that's the card. Okay, so yeah, now you will tell me that this is a 3 of hearts, but let me tell you that the 4 of clubs is an invisible card. Okay, I keep the invisible card here, and I'll request to the spectator to take the invisible card in their hand. Okay, so now I'll tell to the spectator to select any number between 1 and 51. Now we'll ask him that there are 52 cards in a card deck. So let me tell you that the 4 of clubs here have taken, so 52 minus 1 is 51 only. Okay, so then afterwards I'll show you that this way here I'll take off the cards, and so after that I'll tell to the spectator to take a bigger number, so it makes the trick harder. For example, they choose the number 16. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so let's see. Oh, now you will tell me that it is a different card. So now let me tell you again that the card is with you. Okay, so it is an invisible. Now take the card and keep it face down on the top of the deck. Okay, so I'll take the card, keep it face down. Okay, and after that I'll close the deck. Now with a snap the card will be visible again. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then this card comes. Let's see, is the 4 of clubs, which is the card you have selected. So now hope you like this magic trick. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see the tutorial of the prediction card trick of my latest video, means not the latest one, but there is a video, please hit the subscribe button and take my channel to 150 subscribers. Now let's go towards the tutorial. Okay, so guys, here's a tutorial for this trick. So as I told you that this is an impromptu card trick, so we did not need any that type of deck setup. So now they can choose any card, but for example in the tutorial case they choose the card 5 of hearts. Okay, so now you have to find the 5 of hearts like this, means facing the cards towards you. Okay, so in the tutorial case I'll show you. So for example, here is the 5. Here is the 5. So along with the 5 of hearts and these cards, means the cards above the 5 of hearts and including the 5 of hearts, you have to keep these cards above the rest cards. So this way the 5 of hearts is on the top, and you will show them that the 5 of hearts is the invisible card. Okay, and first ask that this is the 10 of diamonds and why have you told me the 5 of hearts. Okay, So once I'll take the 5 of hearts and keep it here. Okay, now here tell them that take the invisible card like that. Okay, and then you have to tell them that pick up the card for more to show them that it is a proper invisible card. Okay, then you have to show them that how to take, and tell them that select a number between 1 and 51. Okay, and then you have to take off the first 3 cards and tell them that we have to do like this. And after, when you're keeping the cards, just maintain a pinky type break over here. Okay, and once it is done, then you have to refill the cards for more perfection. Okay, so this way. And after that, what you have to do, you have to deal the top card normally. And for example, in the tutorial case, let's take 10. Okay, first card you have to deal the normally, which is the selected card. Second, you have to do a double deal, like at the break you have to take 2 cards at once like this, but try to make it square up like this, and then deal it like this, not like this. So this will reveal that there are 2 cards. Okay, deal it like this. Then normally 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, sorry 10 only. Then you have to open the 10th card. It is a 7 of spades. Now the double deal was only the sleight of hand. Now you don't need to make any sleight of hand, and don't reveal the card like this. Okay, then you have to keep the cards, and the trick is almost over. What you have to do, then show them that with a snap that the card is becoming normal, visible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and the 10th card, which is here. Okay, so this way you can perform this trick. And as I told you in the end of the performance also, that please make my channel to 150 subscribers to get the card trick tutorial of the prediction card trick. And now bye bye, see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe, don't forget to do that. Bye bye, see you in the next video.